Hello, we just thought we'd share the key messages from the Year 11 Parents' Evening tonight for maths. We shared with you the new passport that each student has been given, which will guide their revision in the next year. So there's one for foundation and a couple for higher. They have a checklist of things that the students need before they get started with their revision. We also have given the knowledge quiz booklets to students, which they should be looking at a few times a week to try and memorise the facts that they need for their maths exam. And you as parents can help out with that by quizzing them on a regular basis to find out if they are actually learning from it. We also have guidance videos for the students, which are going to be on our website, montgomerymaths.co.uk. And the passport allows them to tick off which quizzes they've done on Hegarty Maths, whether they've got above 70% or 100%, whether it's amber or green. You as parents can check in the passport how much they have done, so you can ask them to show you how much work they've done on Hegarty Maths, and you can tick this off and sign it each week in the parent tracker. So I'm sure you'll agree the students have got plenty to be getting on with. They should never say that they haven't got any maths to do. And we have tried to give them as much support and guidance around their revision as possible. And we look forward to seeing their hard work pay off when it comes to the GCSEs. Thank you very much for your support. And if you've got any questions, please contact us at school.